Imagine you're in court, facing intense questioning, and suddenly you opt to plead the Fifth. What exactly does that mean, and what are the implications? Today, we unravel the significance of invoking the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution, a critical facet of American legal protections. Enacted in 1791, the Fifth Amendment grants several rights, including the right against self-incrimination, which is what we're focusing on today. This clause ensures that individuals cannot be compelled to testify against themselves during legal proceedings, be it a criminal trial, a congressional committee hearing, or any other official inquiry. Let's delve into what happens the moment you choose to plead the Fifth. First, by declaring this right, you effectively refuse to answer specific questions that might incriminate you. This does not imply guilt and cannot legally be held against you as an admission of wrongdoing. It merely serves as a legal protection, preventing the government from coercing you into self-incrimination. It's crucial to understand that pleading the Fifth is not an all-encompassing shield. There are nuances to its application. For instance, you cannot invoke this right to refuse giving evidence that might implicate others, nor can you use it to avoid answering all questions indiscriminately. Courts typically adjudge whether a particular question genuinely carries the risk of self-incrimination before permitting the use of this defense. Moreover, while the right is potent during criminal proceedings, its applicability varies across other contexts. For example, in civil cases, drawing the Fifth might have different repercussions. Jurors in civil trials are permitted to make adverse inferences from a defendant's use of the Fifth, an allowance that contrasts sharply with its application in criminal trials. It's also important to note that the protection doesn't cover pre-existing documents or records, which might be subpoenaed by the court. The idea is that these records are inherently not testimonies compelled from your mind. To tie all this together, pleading the Fifth Amendment is an integral part of protecting individual liberties against governmental overreach. It's a critical reminder of the balance between law enforcement needs and personal freedoms. Yet understanding its limitations is equally important, as its misuse or misinterpretation could lead to unintended consequences. In summary, while the Fifth Amendment is a powerful legal tool, it is nuanced and bounded by legal frameworks that ensure its role in the justice system is both fair and applicable under specific circumstances. A reminder that the legal landscape, while protective, requires careful navigation.